See that? That's a pacifier. We are on a passy expedition. AJ, come on. Let's find passies. Come on. Come on, AJ. Where are all of AJ's passies? Come on. Here's his room, changing table. I spy a pacifier. Three passies. Here's a passy, but we're going to leave it there because it's in a good spot. Behind his crib. 2, 3, 4. 4 passies. Along with his little stuffed animal rat. Because that's always good to have behind the crib. Pacifier expedition 3, 6, 7. 7 pacifiers. What else? Where else can we look? I think that's all we're going to find in his room. Let's go look through his toys in the office. Oh, there's AJ. Hey, AJ. What do you got there? Is that your ladybug? Is it stuck? You having trouble getting it to go onto the carpet? Uh-oh, here he comes. He's got to turn around. And here he comes. Ouch, you got Mom's foot. Look at my feet. Stop going after my feet. Can you wave bye-bye? Say bye-bye.